One day, Little Elephant didn't like his long trunk. It's too heavy, he thought. He saw a little horse running fast. He saw a little monkey climbing trees. He wished he could do that too. Suddenly, the forest was on fire. All the animals were stuck by the river. Little Elephant filled his trunk with water. He sprayed the fire out. He put a tree across the river with his trunk. All the animals crossed the river safely. "Thank you, Little Elephant," they cheered. Now he loved his long trunk. Can you find your special talents too? Like and follow.